2006 to 2013 Chevy trucks and SUVs drive belt replacement. Let's start by removing the appearance cover and loosen the airbox, the two 8mm of them. Remove them, not remove them, loosen them up so you can take the air duct out and remove your PCV hose. Pop those things off here. There it is. Use a trim tool to pop that this piece here. There it is. It'll come right off. There you have it. Take a picture of the belt winding before you remove it. Take a good picture of it to remember how it goes in. And use a 1/2" ratchet with a 50mm and turn the tensioner clockwise to remove the belt. And let's remove our AC belt. You can't remove them, it's only one-time use, so we're just going to cut it. There it is. So I have the link in the comment section below. Follow the instruction very well. You'll get to do it. It's pretty easy. There is a special tool that you need to do it. In the idea is you put the special tool on the left side of the crank, and the belt is halfway on the crank, and you put the belt over the special tool and you crank it with a 24mm and a long 1/2" ratchet like this, and turn the crank until the belt is fully seated. All right, and you will hear a pop once on the last turn. That means that it's fully seated. There will be a popping noise. I hope you guys pick that noise when that happens. And remove on the special tool when you don't need it anymore. There it is. It's fully seated. And now let's put our main belt on. Take a picture of the winding here. I'm going to put it over the alternator. And that will be the last step pretty much. There you have it, guys. I have a footage of the engine running. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.